We also have another piece of technology called CEREC. And just yesterday, I had a new patient come in who was very fearful of coming here and was very difficult to get numb. She'd been to many dentists and has a history of multiple injections. Well, we got her numb, but what we were able to do with this piece of technology is fix an entirely broken back tooth in just one visit. My new patient was thrilled. She didn't need to come back, and more importantly, she didn't need to get numbed for a second time.
Powerful computer-aided design and manufacturing technology in dentistry. This CAD/CAM technology allows us to custom fabricate tooth-colored restorations, crowns, onlays, and veneers right here in our office, and all in a single appointment. After we carefully design the restoration, we select an appropriate material of the proper shade for your specific tooth. We place this material into the milling machine, which in just a few minutes shapes it into a custom-fitted restoration. Using CAD/CAM technology is healthier for you because it provides extremely accurate restorations made with durable materials that work with advanced dental adhesives. This means that only a minimal amount of tooth preparation is required, leaving more of the healthy tooth structure intact. And because your new restorations are made out of tooth-colored materials, they are naturally beautiful. With CEREC's CAD/CAM technology, you can have a strong and beautiful restoration in just one appointment.